dear children, welcome back to this new video.
In this video, we will learn about computer network. We will see what is computer network. A group of computers connected together is called computer network. This computer network is used to communicate with each other and share information and resources. The computer network are classified into four types based on its distance. They are PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. First type of network is PAN. PAN full form is Personal Area Network. It is the smallest network. It can connect the devices within the range of 100 meters. It is also called Piconet. PAN can be linked through either using the cable or in the wireless connections. Next type of network is LAN. LAN full form is Local Area Network. It is a small network. It can connect maximum of few hundred computers. It is used in offices, schools or in home. This LAN is connected using the cables. This LAN is owned, controlled and managed by a single person or an organization. Next network is MAN. MAN full form is Metropolitan Area Network. This network connects the area larger than a LAN. That is, it can connect entire city or an area up to 100 square kilometers. This MAN is connected by cables. This network is owned by one or more organizations. Next network is WAN. WAN full form is Wide Area Network. In this network, millions of computers connected across the world. These computers are communicate with each other according to the set of rules called protocols. Examples of protocols are TCP or IP. TCP full form is Transmission Control Protocol. IP means Internet Protocol. These protocols are used in the Internet. This WAN is connected by using the telephone lines or satellite links or other long-range communication technology. First we will see about history of Internet. The foundation of Internet was laid in 1969. The first Internet was used in Department of Defense. The United States of America started a network called ARPANET. ARPANET full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The basic aim of ARPANET was to develop efficient network in the midst of nuclear attack. Later in 1980, the ARPANET project was assigned to National Science Foundation. That means NSF. That NSF want to link the 5 supercomputers at university for the sharing of informations. So the NSF built the own network based on the ARPANET technology that is called National Science Foundation Network. Over time, it is expanded to include business, universities, government and so on. Finally, this network included billions of computers. Now this network is called Internet. Okay children, now we will see basic terms of Internet. First Internet term is World Wide Web. It is a collection of documents. These documents are connected through the links that is spread over the thousands of computers through the Internet. That is a World Wide Web. World Wide Web can display any kinds of information such as textual, graphical or audiovisual information. Next term is web browser. Web browser is a software used to find, retrieve view and send information over the internet. Using the web browser, we can access and display the web pages on the screen. There are two types of web browsers. They are text browsers and graphical browsers. Text browsers are used to display only textual information on the web page. Examples of text browsers are Linux, W3M and WebEye. Next one is graphical browser. It is used to display all kinds of objects present on the web page. Examples of these graphical browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, Safari and Opera. Next term is website. A collection of related web pages known as website. These web pages are organized in a website like a book pages. Next term is URL. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. The internet is made up of millions of pages of information. These pages have unique address is called URL. Next term is web page. The document available on the World Wide Web is known as web pages. A web page is a web file containing informations. This information may be a text or graphics or audio or video. Next term is home page. The first page in the website is known as home page. This home page provides the basic information about the website. It is also contain link to other pages. Okay children, through this video we are update our knowledge with the topic computer network. Okay, thank you dear children.